Welcome to today's tutorial, where I'll walk you through the quick and simple process of removing a folder in the Telegram app on your PC. Whether you're streamlining your chat organization or clearing out unused categories, this updated method ensures you can manage your folders effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to access your chats. Once the app is launched, take a moment to locate your folders on the left-hand side of the screen. These folders are designed to help you group conversations, channels, or contacts for easier navigation. Now, find the specific folder you want to remove. Right-click directly on its name in the left side menu. A small context menu will pop up with several options. Look for the Remove option in this list. It's usually positioned near the bottom. Click on it to proceed. Telegram will then ask you to confirm this action with a prompt. This safeguard ensures you don't accidentally delete a folder. Confirm by selecting Delete or Remove in the dialog box. Don't worry, this action only removes the folder itself, not the chats inside. Your conversations will remain intact and accessible in your main chat list. And that's it. The folder will disappear from your sidebar immediately. If you ever want to recreate it, Telegram's flexible settings let you design new folders in seconds. This feature is perfect for users who frequently reorganize their workflows or prioritize different projects over time. One quick tip: if you don't see the Remove option when right-clicking, ensure you're selecting the folder name itself and not a specific chat within it. Folders are managed separately from individual conversations, so clicking in the right spot is key. Telegram's desktop app continues to refine its interface, and this streamlined removal process reflects its user-first design. Whether you're a casual user or a power organizer, keeping your chat environment tidy has never been easier. Thanks for following along. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit. For more tips on mastering Telegram's features, stay tuned. We've got plenty of insights to help you make the most of your messaging experience. Until next time, happy organizing.